Hello, everybody. How are you? How was your holidays? Nice? Yes, long holidays you got, right? Did you enjoy your holiday? No? Why? Can't go outside the house to play? Oh, oh, no problem. But you play at least inside the home. Yes. Okay, now our new year started, and this is your English class. This is your English online class. What is this? It's a textbook. Oh, English Bal Bharti textbook, standard 4. What do you see on the cover page? Many children are in the garden and they are playing. They are reading the books. They are looking something exciting inside the book. They are asking something each other. And see here, what is this? Oh, so happy girls. She is helping her friend to push the wheelchair. Yes, that is a good quality. And ducks are there, flowers are there, all are happy. Yes, no? Are you happy to learn? Yes, you are also happy. You are waiting when the school will start and when I'll go to the school. Sorry, but this year it's a little hard to go inside in the school. Sit at home or take your mobile phone, open the screen and start online teaching, right? Yes? Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, today we'll discuss something, right? Which is very interesting. Very interesting. I know you will enjoy that. Here is a picture about the rain. The rain falls on the house. Oh, all are happy. They are welcoming the rain. After rain, they are playing paper boards. Do you like to play the paper boards? Yes, everybody likes, especially you children. All are you waiting for rain? Are you welcoming rain? Yes, everybody is waiting for rain and welcomes rain. Rain, come when it will start. We are so hot. Its heat is more and we can't sit inside the house. Oh, the body is waiting and we want rain. Everybody is waiting. Please come. You like to play also after rain. Yes, you are eagerly waiting for the rain, and that's why we are learning the rain poem in our textbook. That is poem number 1, Rain in the Night. This poem is on the textbook page number 1. Okay, and this is the real picture of the textbook. If you want, you can write one side. You have the textbook, please keep one side, okay, and just follow that. Now this poem, Rain in the Night, is written by the poetess Emilio Josephine Burr. Now what is a poetess and what is a poet? Father is a male, right? Like the person who has written the poem is called poet. Poet is a male, and the person who written the poem is a poetess, means female. So this Emilio Josephine Burr is a female writer, so we call the poetess. Got it? So Rain in the Night is written by Emilio Josephine Burr. Okay? Got it? Now we have to start the poem, right? First I'll read one by one stanza and then we'll read it. Then, so whole night we have seen the rain was falling, and that is described in the first stanza. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. This throughout the night, the rain was continuously falling, but the speed of the rain was not same. Sometimes it was very loudly, means very hardly, and sometimes it falls very softly, slowly, 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 and so it just like a song. This rainfall sound of the rainfall was like a song. So poetess is saying, raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. Got it? What is like a song? Rainfall is like a song. How much time what time it was falling? Whole night rain was falling, and the speed was sometimes loud and sometimes it was soft, right? Now we'll move towards the second stanza of the poem. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. After whole night rainfall, we see water is everywhere in our surroundings. Same thing the poetess experienced. The next day morning, when she get up and went out of the house, she see all the roads becomes watery. All the roads become watery, and that she see the gutters which are alongside the roads are full of water. Water is flowing in the gutters, and these gutters are compared to the rivers. Poet is saying the gutters looks like a river. And can you see here? Can you see here the lakes? Yes, as per poet, this is a lake. What is this? Lake. But actually it is a lake? No, they are puddles. In the low-lying area of the road, the puddles are formed. Water is gathered, and these puddles are compared with the lakes. So the poet says, the lakes along the street. And what do you see in this photo? Oh, it's a kitty, lazy kitty. It's a lazy kitty. And this lazy kitty is always lying in one of the corner of the house. And she wants to wash her little dirty feet. This rainwater makes the kitty wash her little dirty feet. Now we'll move to the third stanza of the poem. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. The roses will wear diamonds like king and queen at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Through this stanza, what does the poetess want to explain? That we'll see now. Oh, what is this? What a lovely picture. Is it a flower? Yes, it's a rose flower, and it looks very, very beautiful, gorgeous. Can you tell me what is this white color drops on the flower? What? Is it a diamond? No, it's not a diamond. Then what it is? It's a raindrops. Yes, they are the raindrops which gather on the flower and they looks like very very beautiful. Yes? Yes. And that only poet want to describe in this stanza. Poet says the roses will wear diamond. These droplets on the flower looks like a diamond. And this diamond, have you seen the real diamond picture? Yes, this is the real diamond picture. And that droplets of the water looks like this? Yes, exactly they looks like this. And so the poet says this roses will wear diamond. This roses like a king and queen at court. Oh, here is a king and queen at the court. This king and queen looks very beautiful at the court, and that poet want to describe. And what is this? Oh, it's a pansies plant, and so beautiful flower. These pansies plants are very short. As they are short, raindrops makes them muddy. Rain makes them muddy. And that's why the poet said, but the pansies all get muddy because they are short. Understood what the poet want to say in this? This is the last stanza of the poet. I'll read it first. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and watch the pansies' faces. And watch the pansies' faces. Through this stanza, poet want to explain us. Yeah, here is a girl, poetess, girl, and she is holding a watering pot in her hand. For what purpose she is holding watering pot in her hand? To water the plant. Yes? No. She don't want to water the plant because this is a rainy season, and in rainy season there is no need of water the plant. Guess. Then what is the reason why she is holding the can? Yes, she wants to watch the pansies flower. She wants to water the pansies flower because this pansies pansies plants gets dirty due to the rainfall, and that she wants to clean it, that she want to wash it. And so poet is saying, first I'll take the watering can and wash the pansies faces. Faces means flowers. Got it? And now she made the paper boat and she wants to sail it tomorrow in the wonderful new places. What are these wonderful new places? Where the puddles are formed, where the lakes are formed, and there she will go and sail the boat with her friends. But she is saying, remember, first do the work, do the duties first, and then you will play. And this message poetess want to give through the poem. Isn't it? Are you followed? Yes, you will also do the same. First work and then play. Why? Now we'll summarize the poem. Written by Emilia Giuseppe Fur. In this poem, poetess wants to describe the climate of rainy season. She says that whole night rainfall is there, and because of this whole night rainfall, next morning the nature becomes fresh. Everywhere we see the waters, the roads take the form of lakes, and the gutters turn into rivers. Means gutters looks like a rivers. And the kitty, which is the young one of the cat, is very lazy, and this rain makes her to wash her little dirty feet. Because of rain, all the plants, trees, grass, everything is fresh, and these rose plants bloom with the rose flowers. This rose flowers looks like a diamond. These flowers are compared with the king and queen at the court. The pansy flowers are very beautiful and they becomes muddy. The poet is remind us, if the nature is fresh, we should also get up and start our work. And so poetess say, first she will take the watering pot in her hand and watch the pansies plant, and then she will sail her paper boat in the new wonderful places, means in the water which is gathered on the roadsides, on the ground. Means she want to tell, first do the work and then play. This message she wants to give through the. Now we'll sing the poem and you will repeat after me. Listen carefully. The title of the poem is Rain in the Night. Start. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. Repeat. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Repeat. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like king and queen at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Repeat. The roses will wear diamonds like king and queen at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering cap out and watch the pansies' faces. Repeat. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and watch the pansies' faces. Hope everybody will like this poem and you will also listen and sing and recite the poem. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Drawing Book. Today I am going to draw very simple and easy rainy season scenery for kids. So let's get started.